Tournament TV Dinko. Ghana Premier League. The Gold Stars and AGO KOTOKO or club AGO Free Cup. No, so called Africa. Advice to Gold Stars and KOTOKO. Me say.
KOTOKO name team, a former team, and Omoko Confederation Cup. I wish them all the best. But we know at least it will give that exposure, a bit build them confidence. Say next season, this time I'm going to run top 4. Next season, the target will be some major league and now Champions League. And for a Confederation Cup on there, Omunusu as a platform from prepare because for the past 5 years, they say that you're consistent with Africa, you know. Omunusu are cafe, you know, Monfa and body team, you know, next season. I know so I'm going to tell me now appearance and I say participation in CAF, no, meeting there. And your confidence they are league, you know, because ultimately a far Africa and not we see in my ultimate league. You know, I think say I wish them all the best and Gold Stars. So I think say this is the first time we almost economical experience because sometimes it's all about when your consistency. You know, they be ananka you know, I know that this is the time I almost be quite put surprise. Say the dreams a year no, 2 years ago. No, I think say they can do better than that.
Diana, I was say key. So I also see the Africa. Diana club. Oh yeah, a bit in our especially so in your first game of home.
Club no bibia iska otoni bibia iska and I say so ese omupi omonsem na at least omutimi ko Africa kuji 1 or 2 striker bia na say me for the bia like because sometimes local league you know in Africa you know I think say why the differences you know I say omutimi make sure say ombe body ne face scan say bonus scan promise boys na ese ni na account because in the football there enye din no but ese we discuss room say be which makofa and me pay bo nyina say almost start na omunya home o make sure say first first match at least first league na some team say be try na 4 because say okowa you don't know what will happen referee be play part supporting be play part and you know I think say some kwa we no so I say almost make sure say at least draw be na so much money go be say be build that confidence o make media come in
so expectations in KOTOKO target ben group phase and I say among the trophy and African target then I expect for KOTOKO
for now they want me real group stage anka ebeboa say be answer make say Omunusu cafe and I say a Confederation Cup for preparation for next season so league na say omonya that experience no the idea akọ Champions League until this time they want me group stage that's my target for them. Yeah.
The life of a local player how the nyame adom okoko amono na a more than to be a local player now.
A more than to be a local player because and football no is all about money and yet we ebia make us what do secondary school 1 to so once adwuma football no so no ade bi o ha say a drew stage bi untimi ko adwuma ni untimi ko school man ni because we kasa brabo ntino local league no they make something for say at least they have to invest in the local you say the last time I see one of the team be go high o repeat no cry the other day no will be a ball professional you who screen so obo league and I say who TV so on we expect say when you ska and you know Mr. Romo when you time bia we say team na be there you have to also get that money to at least more players and enjoy because sometimes ultimately local players in be obo premier pa so no na more than so that's you know I'm just hoping say or more football people now more running league you know am I you know or more making sure say because they don't player now scaniba or more players and so you in Philly say be ya and crunch be because sometimes Tony we see a player be cry na make us go premier pass on na any more than and I'm talking from experience you know you need to bring a boy ya to say who say any more easy and make us do stage be ya oko chi ma obo ni mo sometimes we cry how because be ya unye ska cry mobra and so you know say local league say nyame am one on your kon be entu na say enema an say da farm na say wanye you cry ha plot one plot cry ha we unye bi obi how because say unye ska de boku hwie na say unye ska enso net e bia 90 sa antino I'm just praying say Ghana football and I say scafo na omo no omo invest more because sometimes oko South Africa ni say na omo ska na dey enjoy but ade ba akoso am league no so na be bring na person be invest omo sika no sometimes to qualify na say be drew baby cry no na make na e bia obi the score line cry obi if you I think I catch say match say ni BP and power the end of the day no yes encourage omo ska no so invest see I'm just hoping say football people no football players na dey is strong retire EBN package BN once I sign contract at least sign one fee on salary because they have families to take care.